Hello guys, and welcome to yet another episode of my Portugal series. So this morning I'm driving right now to Fatima, a central Portuguese town which is home to the Sanctuary of Fatima, a very popular Catholic pilgrimage site where the Virgin Mary appeared to 3 children in 1917. So I'll be visiting the Chapel of Apparitions as well as the Basilica of Our Lady of Rosary of Fatima Colonnade. Thereafter, I'll be moving on to the historical town of Batalha, followed by the very popular beach area in Nazare, and then lastly to Obidos, which is also a historical town. And to take me around today, I have one of the finest drivers in Lisbon, Rogério.
Hello, come to visit.
So the drive from Lisbon to Fatima is around 1.5 hours. And it's a very scenic drive. You see greenery all around with some mountains. The roads are very good as well. So yes, I hope you enjoy this journey with me. So as you see, it's definitely a very scenic drive. And as you drive along, you also see vineyards and olive plantations on either sides of the road. So we are almost getting now to the town of Fatima shortly. So finally I have now reached at the Sanctuary of Fatima, and let me show you around this very beautiful church as well as the chapel. And already you feel a sense of peace as you arrive over here. So I'm now standing in front of the Chapel of Apparitions.
Pai nosso, que estais nos céus, santificado seja o vosso nome. Venha a nós o vosso reino, seja feita.
This is the Basilica of Our Lady of Rosary of Fatima, the oldest basilica here. So this basilica has also the graves of the 3 children to whom Virgin Mary appeared in 1917. So 13th of May is the day of the first apparition, and on this day they have a very big celebration here with a very huge procession. This is the Basilica of the Holy Trinity, which is exactly opposite the Basilica of Our Lady of Rosary of Fatima. This basilica was recently built, I believe somewhere in 2007. So that was a beautiful visit of the Sanctuary of Fatima, and it's definitely recommended a visit if you're around in Lisbon. You really feel the sense of peace when you're around the entire area, especially inside the Basilica and also at the Chapel of Apparitions. So I hope you enjoyed the tour around. And now we are heading to Batalha, the historical town here, and this would be around 20 minutes drive. So after that 20 minutes drive, I am now here in Batalha. So after that quick visit of the monastery here in Batalha, we are now again onto the car and driving on to Nazare, which will be around 25 minutes approximately. And this is the beach area that we are going to visit. So alright, here I am now in Nazare, a very picturesque beach area, and you have lots of small boutique hotels out here and loads of restaurants to choose from where you can enjoy a lot of different options, traditional Portuguese cuisine, seafood, Italian and lots more. So let me show you around. lunchtime and I've decided to have lunch at this restaurant. It's called Zé do Anibal. So after a great seafood lunch, it's now time to explore this beach out here. It's supposed to be one of the best beaches, and they have very high waves up to 20 to 30 meters during the season, which is actually from now, from May, June and July. But of course the waves are on one of the corners of this cliff area, which I'll show you around, so you cannot really see it from here. But it's very, very popular for surfers all over the world, and we have a lot of people coming here to relax and to enjoy. So this is the cliff where generally you have the very high waves coming. It can be seen on the other side, and as I have limited time, I really cannot go across at this time. So hopefully whenever I visit the next time. So that was a glimpse of Nazare beach area, and I hope you enjoyed it. So from here on, I now move on back to the car to reach Obidos, which is another historical town. So now we are en route Obidos, and another 6 minutes we should be reaching there, and that's our final destination for today's great tour. So we're just approaching Obidos, and there you can see the beautiful Obidos Castle. So this castle is very unique, as you have this entire village which is within the boundaries of the castle. So this is a very traditional chocolate cup with some liqueur, and this is some traditional thing that has been told to me to try. Una.
Só uma.
Una.
É assim, toma um golinho, saboreia, saboreia, depois come um chocolate.
Ok.
Assim, ó, deixa um bocadinho, espera, deixa assim um bocadinho, saboreia, saboreia.
So the full thing.
Primeiro saboreia,
Okay.
saboreia, depois...
So she's talking in Portuguese, and I believe what she's trying to say is that I need to have this at one go with the liqueur and the chocolate. So let me try this out. Huh?
Não, saboreia.
Ah, little. Okay, sorry. She means to say I just need to have it little by little.
Sim. Saboreia, mais um bocadinho.
So just need to enjoy the flavor of the chocolate and the liqueur.
Agora, é uma cherry original.
And then you have it full, so very good. So that was delicious, and now I continue my tour. We have a lot of these villages who have set up their shops, like souvenir shops, gift shops, some local delicacies in terms of different types of sweets. And well, here you have a bookshop, you have some porcelain dishes, so a lot of different options, and definitely a very nice walk through this village in this castle. Now on the way to Obidos Chocolate House. Let's have a look. So as you see, this village is very pretty with these tiny lanes and alleys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the various sites covered, and if you did, do like, post your feedback in comments, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get updates when I post my next travel vlog.